Today's project is wire sculpture. What are you going to need for wire sculpture? You're going to need wire. You're going to need wire cutters, and there are some optional materials that I will go through as they come up. So I ordered this wire from the internet. It is a 14 gauge wire. You'll get thick wire, but it's very, very easily bendable. Cut a few pieces off, use your standard wire cutter. You could even use sharp scissors. And just play with it. Don't make anything in particular. Bend it around, see what it can do. Wind it around your finger. Straighten it out. Make waves, make circles, make spirals. See how it works. What can you do? Spend some time with the material, moving it around. Take another piece of wire and see how you can connect one piece to the other. See how you can connect the two pieces together by wrapping them or twisting them. Keep going. Moving your pieces around, connecting them or not connecting them, having your sculpture stand up and balance or not. Connect another one. See what happens. Keep going. Keep going, twisting, wrapping, and exploring. After a certain period of time, you may want to add something to your sculpture. The first thing I want to talk to you about are beads, actually beads and buttons. And consider, how am I going to keep these from coming off? Because I'm going to move this around and how am I going to keep these from coming off? There are several ways you can problem solve that, and I want you to figure out how. Keep bending, keep moving around. Now I notice that buttons often have either 2 or 4 holes in them, so you can utilize that to place several pieces of wire inside here. Something else you can add to your sculpture is tape. You can get washi tape, or you can even use Post-it notes. Colored tape is a lot of fun. You can bend your tape to make sort of a flag, or you can tape between sections. There's a lot of fun things you can do with washi tape. One more thing that is interesting to add are foam pieces. These are foam pieces that are left over from a project we did. You can cut them. You can use a hole puncher to punch a hole in them. And then you can attach them any way you'd like onto your sculpture. Again, these are pieces of craft foam, super cheap. You can even use paper instead of craft foam. Keep going, keep adding, keep moving your wire around, making a sculpture until you feel like you're done.